Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics so nothing else wastes time. Check phone is unlocked and supports the carrier bands. Once done, power off and reinsert the SIM to ensure proper contacts. Make sure you have the ICSID and carrier account credentials visible before proceeding. If the SIM tray feels loose, reseat it. A poor connection often causes not provisioned errors. Now power on and watch for carrier signals while you move to the next configuration step. You now confirm the carrier side, log into the carrier portal and verify the SIM ICSID is assigned to your account and marked active. If activation is pending, trigger it with the carrier activation code or an automated dial code. Once activated, set APN and preferred network type manually in settings. This fixes many provisioning stalls. If the phone still shows no service, toggle cellular data and restart. Make sure to wait several minutes after carrier activation for network propagation. You finish by verifying service and isolating any remaining fault. Test the SIM in another compatible phone to determine if the issue is hardware versus provisioning. If swapping fails, perform a network settings reset. Only use a factory reset if instructed. When contacting the carrier, provide ICSID, IMEI, and the exact error string. This speeds resolution. If still stuck, ask the carrier to reprovision the SIM or issue a replacement. One tip: keep detailed timestamps of activation attempts for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.